Rascal and the Cheese by Paul Jennings, illustrated by Bob Lee. Rascal had a new friend. It was a mouse. The mouse loved cheese. So did Dad. "What's that in your mouth, Rascal?" said Dad. "Have you got my cheese?" Rascal hid in the bedroom. Dad could not find him. Rascal hid in the bathroom. Dad could not find him. Rascal hid in the kitchen. Dad found him. "Stop, Rascal!" yelled Dad. Rascal did not stop. "Open your mouth, Rascal," said Dad. "Give me that cheese." Rascal did not open his mouth. Dad fell over. Rascal ran away. "Look, Dad," said Ben, "a mouse." "The mouse must have eaten your cheese." "I'll get that mouse," said Dad. The mouse ran away. Dad put more cheese on the table. He did not see the mouse. "Dad," said Ben, "the cheese is gone." "I'll get that mouse," said Dad. "It is hiding somewhere." Dad looked in the bedroom. He could not find where the mouse was hiding. Ben looked in the bathroom. He could not find where the mouse was hiding. Dad looked in the kitchen. He could not find the mouse. "One day I'll find where that mouse is hiding," said Dad. But he never did.